Okay, you guys, it's time to make another pet peeve video, I guess. Oh, man, I just did something. Seems like, to me, ammunition is getting kind of crazy these days. And I mean this because I bought 500, what were they? 500 bullets, 522s for $34. Before the Great Depression, or the great rumor that they were going to have a gun ban, 22s for 500 was around $17-18. This kind of ticks me off because I don't mind paying $34, but it's just one of those things, you know. I couldn't find them until the day after Christmas, and they only had 2 boxes for $34 each. The other bad thing is that was not the only bullets they had, but the other ones were $64 for 500, which is really outrageous. But I found some for my 40 cal. They were made by CCI, which is also technically Blazer. So they were Blazer, I believe, steel, but they're like aluminum casings. So I'm gonna see how they work with my gun. That's the thing, I'm trying to figure out which rounds my gun doesn't and does like. Well, I've ran cheaper bullets through it. I've ran some bullets that were like $10 a box, you know, and you know, it's like 100 rounds I got for like $22. So but guys, I just wanted to call and say to YouTube and see how y'all were doing. Wanting to make sure the YouTube community that actually watches these videos are doing pretty good. Just trying to get through the day. Not getting too excited over things I really can't control, which ammo prices is one of them. Till the next time, guys. Later.